Let's learn about comparing ratios in mixtures. Consider two mixtures, A and B. Mixture A combines water and juice in a ratio of 3:1, while mixture B combines them in a ratio of 2:1. Fill in the table for each mixture and compare the ratios. So let's start with mixture A. They tell us that it has a ratio of 3:1. And we have our table here. We have 3 cups of water to 1 cup of juice. All right. And essentially, we can think about we're taking our cups of water, dividing it by 3 to get how many cups of juice we need. So if we apply that here to our next values, 6 here divided by 3 is going to give us a 2. So every 6 cups of water gives us 2 cups of juice. We can apply the same thing here. 9 divided by 3 is a 3. 9 cups of water, 3 cups of juice. And lastly here, 12 divided by 3 gives me a 4. For every 12 cups of water, we have 4 cups of juice. Now our mixture B has a different ratio. Mixture B here has a ratio of 2:1. So for every 2 cups of water, we have 1 cup of juice. So and essentially here, we're taking our cups of water, dividing it by 2 to get how many cups of juice we need. So 4 cups of water divided by 2 gives us 2 cups of juice. 6 cups of water divided by 2 gives us 3 cups of juice. And 8 cups of water divided by 2 gives us 4 cups of juice. Now we want to compare these ratios. Mixture A was our 3:1 and mixture B was our 2:1. So if we want to compare them, we can say that mixture B has a higher concentration of juice. So we can say that mixture B is stronger because it has more juice relative to water. I hope you learned something here about comparing ratios in mixtures, and as always, thanks for watching.